Artwork fly.
Okay, so today I'm creating an easy abstract painting. What you need to do is to tear some pieces of masking tape. It has to be a masking tape or what they call paper tape. This is because it's very easy to remove without affecting the surface too much. You can also use painter's tape. Tear several pieces of tape and apply it to the surface how you want it. Then simple, just paint. Go ahead, have fun with it. Do what you will. Be creative. To remove the tape, pull away one side at a time. This technique can be used on anything you like. Thanks for watching. Happy painting. Artwork fly. Please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell so you can always know when I upload.